Wow. Oh my god, this is pretty good. And with the sriracha ranch, with this hot Cheeto, it really kicked it in. Really kicked in my mouth, like for real. What up, my cravers? It's Coco, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell button to get more to get more notifications of me. Okay. Sometimes I get some tongue twisters up in here, like I always be messing up, but it's okay. It's okay. It's for the video. But anywho, I got my red lipstick on for this mukbang I'll be doing. Today I got flaming hot Cheetos, pickles, and shrimp. Yeah, shout out to Tosh.Fro for showing us the recipe to how to make it. I'm pretty sure it was pretty easy, but check out her link down in my description on how to make it. It looks bomb. It's my first time making it. Check it out, guys. Check out the shrimp. Shrimp on deck. Yes, look at that. Delicioso. Anyhow, I got I did something a little bit different. I put sriracha on my ranch, so I want a little bit more spiciness in this. So even though I can't handle it, so it's okay. It's okay. Let's go ahead and get into this bite, like Kuzo said. I love Kuzo. Shout out to you, girl. Alright. Ooh, guys. Take that first bite. Take it. For real. I'm serious. Take it now before I eat it. Nah, I'll eat it. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh, it dripped. Wow. Oh my god, this is pretty good. And with the sriracha ranch, with this hot Cheeto, it really kicked it in. Really kicked in my mouth, like for real. Look at that. Hold up. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I recommend you trying it. It's actually really good. Especially with the sriracha ranch. It's really good. Oh, today's drink, I'm gonna be drinking some Stella Rosa. I'm a fruity type of girl. If you haven't had Stella Rosa, going all red today. Whew. Cheers, guys. Alright, you guys can take this first bite too. Wait, hold up. Let me put some sriracha on this. Sriracha ranch, I meant. Take it. Take it now before I eat it. Oh my god. It's so good. Wow. The sriracha ranch really is taking it to a whole nother level. So I just did the quadruple burger challenge, and that thing was really crazy. Seriously, I couldn't breathe. I think I was eating it way too fast. And there is my baby again. One moment. Never mind. Yes. No, I'm not done. Would you like to taste, little one? You want to taste?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, yes. She said yes. Here. This is my baby with her crazy hair. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. It's my #1 supporter right here. Comment down below if you think she's so cute. Kiss mommy. Mwah. Oh my god, but the sriracha mayo is really good. No. Here. Take that. Yummy? It's so hard to film when you have like little babies around, because all they want to do is be in your video. Which I don't mind. Right, Nani?
Dad.
Dad? Dad?
Me.
But anyways, about the quadruple burger. I would do it again, honestly. I love burgers. I would eat that all the time. Oh!
Oh.
Careful. So I'm full, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because my baby is just making too much noises. Oh my god. Alright. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Woo! Excuse me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry. No, that's hot, baby. Hot. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next video. Peace.